Hi, my name is Michelle Bushby.
And I'm Bridget Clunan.
And I'm Jennifer Schwank, and we're part of the Temecula Elementary School Literacy Team. We're here to share some tips with you and your student.
Hi, students and families. This is Michelle Bushby, and I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Riverside County Library System's Express service to check out library books from the Temecula Public Library. If you go to the Riverside County Library System homepage and then click on this link right here to show the different branches, I'm going to scroll right over here to the Temecula Public Library and click on that. Then it'll take you to the Temecula Public Library homepage. If you search the catalog from this page, then it will show you books that are available at our public library here in Temecula. So I'm going to type in Chrysanthemum. You can see I've already done that before. So if I click on that and hit enter, it takes me to their database, and underneath here you can see the availability of books in their library. I'm going to go to the book right here, Chrysanthemum, and check its availability. You can see that there are 4 books in our library that are available. Once I do that, I'm going to hit place request. You will need your library card to do this. If you don't have a library card, they have something called e-cards that you may apply for, and we will do a video on that at another time. Once you choose the book that you want to check out, it's going to ask you to enter your username or library card and your 4-digit PIN. For our video today, we're going to use Mrs. Schwank's library card. I'm going to enter in the number, and then I will enter in the PIN after that. It'll tell you that your request is in the system, and it shows right here that this is our pickup library, the Temecula Public Library. Shows the activation date, the date that we are requesting, and that's today's date. And I will submit request. Once I've done that, it'll say that it might say you have active requests for the title. Other people are trying to check it out, but do you still want to place the request? I'm going to say continue for yes. And then it says my request has been placed. So once that happens, they're going to email me and let me know when my book is ready to be picked up at the Temecula Public Library. And for information on that, the next part of this video will be done by Mrs. Clunan.
I have received an email that our book Chrysanthemum has arrived at the Temecula Public Library and is ready for pickup. So I called the number presented on your screen and have arranged a time to be able to pick up our book. So next, Mrs. Schwank will be taking you through the express service at the Ronald H. Roberts Library and show you how to complete the process of checking out your book.
I just picked up my book from the Temecula Public Library. I needed my mask and my card, and I have Chrysanthemum.